Maths Olympiad questions here in RMA channel. Review Math Always. Ayan, meron tayong example ng ating Math Olympiad questions. Okay? I am Sir Ace, again, your Filipino math teacher. If A minus B equals 2 and AB equals 1, find the value of A plus B. Ayan, ito nga yung ating example number 1. If A minus B equals 2 and AB equals 1, find the value of A plus B. Hinahanap natin ang value ng A plus B. Okay, solution number 1. Ayan, ito yung ating solution number 1. First step, you're going to square the first equation, A minus B equals 2. Okay, A minus B equals 2. Ang gagawin mo lang, i-square mo siya both sides. Kaya makakaroon tayo ng the quantity of A minus B squared equals 2 squared. It's simply, kapag sinimplify natin to, A minus B squared equals 4. As we can see sa ating left side, meron tayong square of binomial ng ating A minus B. Okay, then expand natin yung kaliwa, yung left side, magiging A squared minus 2AB plus B squared equals 4. Saan ang galing ang A squared minus 2AB plus B squared? Kapag sinimplify natin ang ating square of binomial, A minus B squared. Okay, next. Saan ang galing ang 4 sa right side? 2 squared is 4. Okay, next, we have A squared minus 2, isasubstitute natin kasi sa ating given, AB daw is 1. Okay, meaning, papalitan na natin yung AB ng 1. Kaya magiging minus 2 times 1 plus B squared equals 4. Okay, next. As we can see here, A squared minus 2 plus B squared equals 4. Minus 2 na lang yung natira kasi 2 times 1 is 2. Then, itatranspose na natin yung negative 2 sa right side, magiging positive 2. Kaya magkakaroon tayo ng A squared plus B squared equals 4 plus 2. Kaya ang ating result equation, ito yung ating extract equation ay A squared plus B squared equals 6. Next, solution number 2. Sa solution number 2, since sa left side, nagkaroon tayo ng square of binomial with A minus B, yung ating difference. Ngayon naman, yung sum ng A and B. A plus B squared, another square of binomial, equals, kapag in-expand natin to, magiging A squared plus 2AB plus B squared. Okay, next, we have A plus B squared equals A squared plus 2 times, papalitan uli na yung AB ng 1, kasi ang value sa given ng AB ay 1. Then 2 times 1 plus B squared. Okay, similarly, copy lang natin, duplicate lang natin yung nasa left side, magiging, okay, duplicate lang natin yung ating solution sa left side. We have A plus B squared. Okay, magiging A plus B squared equals A squared plus B squared plus 2. Inuuna lang natin yung A squared plus B squared, yung quadratic. Then, inuhuli natin yung constant na 2 times 1, which is 2. What will happen? Anong mangyayari natin dito? A plus B squared, yan, meron pa rin tayong square of binomial, equals 6 plus 2. Saan ang galing ang 6? Okay, sa una nating solution, yung solution number 1, yung extract equation na A squared plus B squared ay 6. Kaya papalitan na natin ang A squared plus B squared ng 6. Kaya magkakaroon tayo ng A plus B squared equals 8. Now, as we can see here, we can get now the value of A plus B. Okay, anong gagawin natin? Maglalagay lang tayo ng radical sign both sides para makancel natin yung exponent na 2. Okay, anong gagawin natin doon? Okay, so ibig sabihin, pag naglagay tayo ng square root both sides, ay ang makukuha na lang ay A plus B equals positive negative 2 the square root of 2.